Hello, good afternoon to our lecturer Mr. Amar. I'm Nicholas Joseph from BEE section 1/1. My metric number is B08 1910 336. I'm here to explain about the lab repetition control techniques. First of all, we need to understand the objective. After that, we need to proceed to pre-lab survey. Once the survey is done, we move to part A, which is do while iteration statement. Okay, A, executable source code. I give you a short brief. Input the information that you have. Make sure each and everything is typed correctly. Once it's done, we may run it and wait for the outcome. Once you get the outcome, we repeat those previous steps for the iteration statement so that we can go through with the same step to get the second output. So once we're done with the part A, we can proceed to part B. Thank you very much.
Okay, testing, right? Okay, wait. Hello, good afternoon, and assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Mr. Amar Faiz. I'm Muhammad Hafiz bin Kamarul Izham, metric number B0819101167, and I'm from BEE section 1/1. I'm here to explain Lab 3 programming, repetition control techniques. As my fellow group member, Nicholas Joseph, metric number B0819103336, had explained part A before this. Alright, so I will continue the explanation for part B. Okay, for part B as follows. Let's go to section B. Section B, that is part B. Okay, let me scroll it down to section B. At this section, my fellow group member Nicholas Joseph already explained it, and also all of this. So I need to continue it to section B. Okay, continue from section B. Okay, this is section A. Okay, right here. This is for section B. Alright. The question for section B is as follows. By using nested for iteration statement, construct a complete executable C program to create a two-dimensional array with the size of 3 times 3. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. Alright. All elements in the array should initialize to 0 at the beginning of the program execution. By using the scanf function, user will enter the value for every single element in that 2D array. The program also needs to display the final. Alright, to display the final 3 times 3 array as input by the user. Okay, so what does an array means? Okay, let me explain to you. What does array means? An array is a data structure that contains a group of elements. Alright, a data structure that contains a group of elements. So that means is a group of elements. Typically, these elements are all the same data type. So one group is a group of elements, and inside of the element is are all the same data type. Alright, such as an example as an integer or a string. Okay, that is an array means. Alright, let's continue to the question section B. Okay, section B as follows. Test and validate your program with following 3 times 3 array elements. Alright, so 3 times 3 is 3 row and 3 columns. Array as I explained it just now. Okay, so the result should be like this: 3 row and 3 columns, 3 times 3. Okay, let's see the results that I have done it. This is part A. My fellow group member already explained it to you. Do while iteration statement. This is his work. I already seen it and check it. Uh, he's done a he's done a good job, a great work. Okay, this is the output console for part A, part A1. Okay, this is for part A, B. Okay, this is the input lah. This is the input executable C source code. This is the output console for part A, B. Okay, alright, this is my section. That is section B. Okay, this is the input, the command, right? Let's go to dev C++. Okay, this is the command that I have input it to the dev C++, and this is the output. Okay, let's go to dev C++. You need to input all of this first, and then you compile it. After you compile, and you need to run, compile and run. Alright, firstly you need to include the stdio as usual, and include stdlib, standard library, and standard input output, and integer. As I mentioned it before, what is an array? Array is a group of elements. In that elements, they are all the same data type, such as an integer or string. So array is integer and string. So I will use integer number. Okay, integer number 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, and you need to type it like this. Okay, printf and scanf as the question said. Alright, and then you need to compile and run it. Okay, after that you need to compile and run it. Okay, this is the console output. Okay, what does it need? 3 to 5 4 7 11. 3 to 5, 3 enter, 2 enter, and 5 enter. Okay, 0 and 3 columns. Alright, and then what number after that? I doesn't remember. 4 7 11, 4 7 11, and then 6 9 15, 6 9 15. Okay, as you can see, this is the result from the output that I have followed the questions, the command from the questions. That is 3 rows and 3 columns: 3 to 5 4 7 11, 6 9 15. Okay, after this you finish the output, you need to screenshot it and record it as an lab report, as an data lab report. Alright, okay, after that you need to do the post lab survey and read the question and tick inside the box that have been given. Alright, uh, okay, that's all. Let me tick it. Okay, I am familiar with C integrated development environment. Agreed. Okay, agreed. How should I take it? Agreed. Oh. Later on I will do it. I will take it. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to our lecturer, Mr. Amar Faiz. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching our video.